champion, campione. Before we get into today's hashtag live sessions, please consider getting yourself one of the Arise and Shine Champion 40-day inspirational, devotional, transformational tools. We'll drop a link in the description down below. And yep, with that being said, let's get into today's session. Siyabangena.
Yesterday, we were on our way by God's grace, to an accounting firm to go talk there to some of the staff. And on our way there, like there's this road that we have to take. Remember, right now we're staying on the plot. So now we took this one road. It's like a little detour road that you go down. It's not like smooth N1 road. Like, I mean, like, it's doing that, but it does the job. It gets you there. You know what I mean? Okay. So we're busy driving this road, and we got the Hyundai. So the Hyundai, it's a bit flat on the road. It's not a 4x4. All right. This is so you got to go slow over the humps. You know what I'm saying? But now, next thing, there's this highlight or some big bucky behind us, and then this guy's like pressuring me to go quick. I'm not about to scratch the bump of that Hyundai. Now he's busy pressuring me. He's going, and when someone is pressuring you from the back, it's dangerous, because you put your own life in danger and the other people's lives in danger. Because now you try and go quick and you go shoot over the hump, and my wife in the car, and Lord willing, maybe one day there will be like kids in the car. So it's unhealthy. That's unhealthy pressure. And God showed me something on our way there then. He showed me that, okay, cool. In life, we need pressure. But there's a difference between healthy pressure and unhealthy pressure. The healthy pressure is like, for example, like in a race, in athletics, you have, if you're doing like a 1,200 meter, you have what you call a pace setter. The one who goes and runs in front, and they're not even a part of the race. But they're in front and they're setting the initial pace, so that the people behind them can tap into the potential within them to try and improve the time for their race. Does that make sense what I'm telling you? Okay? That is healthy pressure. That's why Jesus says, follow me. He's the pace setter. Follow me, follow me, follow me. And then you get the unhealthy pressure, which is like the guy that was pressurizing me from the back, because that makes life dangerous for you. That's exactly what the enemy wants to do. And how does he cause an unhealthy pressure over your life? By making you look to the left and to the right instead of looking straight towards Jesus.